Welcome back from the break, all of my pre-disciples. Some I'm gonna start calling them my pre-disciples. Alright? Remember, you're watching the #1 show on TV right now. And if you're wondering how to work out your abs and get some rock hard abs like myself, this next feature is for you. It's keeping fit with the whole Firm Fitness Club, Party them, all of them. And it's brought to you by who? Gatorade. So you guys check this out right now. The summer is on, so we need to see this.
This segment is sponsored by Gatorade, win from within.
No, but the Firm Fitness Club. Where was that? Firm Fitness, #1, Winchester Business Center. We are here, we're not going nowhere. Let's go, abs time.
So today we're doing abs workout, all right? Over there we have Latoya, you have Jeremy, #2, and Suzette over there as well, all right? So let's go, Jeremy, #1, down, and let's go. Everybody on your back, nice and easy, all right? Ready, guys? Here we go. And 1, back down, nice and easy. Come on. 2, there we go. Come on. 3, come on. Here we go. 4, come on. 5, come on. 9, come on. 10, there you go. Keep going. 10 more. 10, keep the elbows back, guys. 9, good. Come on. 8, good. Come on. 7, here we go. Come on. 6, here we go. 5, here we go. Come on. 4, here we go. 3, here we go. 2, here we go. Just lift one leg and cross the elbow to the knee. Come on, here we go. Up and down. Up. Alternate the legs. 1 and down. Come on. 2. You want some six-pack for the summer, right? You gotta work hard. Come on. What's the count, Jeremy? Tell me. How much? You don't know? Let's start over, guys. Here we go. 1. Count, guys. 2. Everybody count it. Here we go. 3. Come on. Squeeze up. 4. Good. 5. Good. 6. Remember to exhale up and inhale down, right? Come on. 8. Come on. That's it. 9. Come on. Can you give me one more set, please? Here we go. Come on. Squeeze. 1. Good. And 10. Lift the legs up. Keep the legs up, guys. Remember your back is firm and pressed to the floor. Hands beneath the head. Ready? And crunch in and out. Come on. Come on. Exhale and contraction every time. Come on. Squeeze it. Good. Here we go. 4. Come on. 5. Good. 6. Here we go. Come on. All right, guys. Keep the legs up to the roof, right? Keep the hands beneath the butt. Remember your lower back is firm and pressed to the floor. All right? And push off the ground. Come on. Push off the ground. It's not a swing, guys. Don't swing the legs. A small movement, right? Small movement. I don't want somebody going up and down like that, all right? Just a small movement up top. Come on. 1. Good. 2. Good. 3. Good. Right? Keep the top on right at the ear, right here, right? We're going to lift an elbow towards the knee. Here we go. Come on, lift. Up, elbow to the knee. Come on. Follow Jeremy. Not falling properly, Jeremy. 1. Good. 2. Good. 3. Good. 4. Good. 5. Good. 6. All about farm, guys. 7. Good. 8. Good. 9. Good. If you want to make it a little bit more intense, you can lift both legs up. Here we go. Both legs up. Come on, last 10. 10. Good. 9. Good. 8. Good. You're working out with the best. Come on, here we go. Good. Watch the count, guys. Watch the count. Watch the count. Talk to me. I can't hear you. Going on to 10. Can we switch to the next side? Next side. Switch over now. 5 obliques, all right? Obliques. 6. Come on, here we go. 7. Good. 8. Do you want to make it a bit more intense? Yes? Lift both legs up. Both legs. Come on, here we go. There. 1. And go. Come on. 2. Right? And when you bring it up on your toes, up, hold it up, and hold it right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep the head neutral. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7. Up some more. I'll tell you. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest it. Can we do one more set, please? Pull your knees toward the chest, everybody. Wrap your hands behind the legs, all right? Hold on to your hamstring, all right? Woo! Stretching out the lower back right here. That's it. Nice. Drop your legs to the side. Drop your legs to one side, the upper body to the next side as well, all right? Stretch them out. Woo! Next side, let's switch that. Great workout, guys. Always drinking the Gatorade.
That's it for some keeping fit tip. Right now, guess who's back in the building? Cameika is back on Pree Dis, and she'll teach us how to make a Wakefield glow cool. Cameika, you ready? Take it over from the place, Pree Dis.
Yes, it's me again on your TV, of course, Cameika, and today we're here going to make for you today the Wakefield Glow Cool. Get that? Glow Cool. Summertime, you know you're hot. Of course, you want something to chill you. And of course, partners, friends, you can sit and enjoy any Wakefield juice, but today we're gonna do a special for you. Going to use the Wakefield pineapple juice, triple sec, vodka of your choice, lime juice, and of course we're gonna garnish with pineapple.
Jam Fit Cheerleading Competition 2013. It's a final, and of course the place is hype. We're moving on to the second video premiere of the week, and it comes from Alkaline, a song called Things Me Love. Hey, that tune I go on with that bag of things, you know. Yeah, check it out right here, Pree Dis.
You do the things me love. Me never see a girl when me love so much. Pink are your favorite color, baby, but make we do purple touch. Come over, baby, looking at me eye. Love is pain, but you happy try. Do whatever make you happy, aye. You bring joy in a me life. Come over, baby, looking at me eye. Love is pain, but you happy try. Where you did there all me life. You bring joy in a me life. Me love you, and me happy wife you. And your body give me the vibe too. Me too, and your heart and your body are the right crew. Them apart together right through. No black me out of your life, I better you try blue. No the color, but I when me like do. Me invest me love, so to a way I feel have a child too. Everybody knows say me like you. Me love ya, love ya, love ya, love, love ya, love ya, love. When the time cold to a way I cuddle up. Me love ya, love ya, love ya, love, love ya, love ya, love. You're pretty, 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 that's why me love you so. We go 3 rounds, but you still not get enough. Me no go easy, you like when you're getting rough. Me love ya, love ya, love ya, love, love ya, love ya, love. Me love ya, love ya, love ya, love, love ya, love ya, love. Come over, baby, looking at me eye. Love is pain, but you happy try. Do whatever make you happy, aye. You bring joy in a me life. Come over, baby, looking at me eye. Love is pain, but you happy try.
What's up, all my viewers? Guess what? We're going for a third and final commercial break. When we get back, more Pree Dis. Keep it locked. It's brought to you by Rum Bar Rum Cream.